foreclosure, short sale, recourse, non-recourse. Hey, let me save you homeowners out there some money. If you live in California and you're in danger of being foreclosed, don't do a short sale. No, that means you will positively owe money to the bank. You can simply give the keys back and walk away, and you won't owe the bank another dime. They cannot come after you for another dime. So let me explain. It's called a non-recourse loan. And in California, and let me tell you the other states that have non-recourse mortgage loans. These are known as non-recourse states, and they include Alaska, Arizona, California, Connecticut, Idaho, Minnesota, North Carolina, North Dakota, Oregon, Texas, Utah, and Washington. So, what is a non-recourse loan? A non-recourse mortgage loan favors the borrower, the person who borrowed the money. It favors them because it assures the borrower loses only their collateral and will never owe more on their loan than the asset is worth. That means if you fail to pay your mortgage and the lender forecloses on your home, that's all they can do. Okay? If the lender sells the foreclosed property and doesn't make their money back on the defaulted amount, it's their loss. No legal action can be taken against you for those lost funds. Bet you didn't know that. See, if you do a short sale, then you are agreeing to pay the bank what they don't recoup. So you can't, once you do a short sale, then the bank can come after you for more than just the property itself, or just for more than what they agreed to. In a short sale, they can come after you.